So blessed to be able to come and help dedicate this flag to the service members of Whitfield County and the city of Dalton, and I can't wait to see it fly for many, many years. So we have American Legion Post 112 that's here that's going to help raise the flag. So the flag is 130 feet out of the grounds, 14 feet in ground. The flag is a 30-foot by 50-foot American flag. This really is a big deal, and I'm so thankful that all of you guys are able to be here. I also want to put a special thanks to James Tyson and Tyson Associates, our general contractor. That was a little bit of a task, wasn't it, James?